Quick fix, 4 air switches on the elevator carter bin, 630 Deutz Agrotron tractor tows it. This one's been broken off but wasn't so bad, you can still sort of do it. The other one there been broken off down low. Running out of time, so what I did, I pulled that part out by punching the pin down. Got a 2.5mm drill, drilled down through the centre on an angle, like that type thing, missing where the pin goes through. About yay long stainless steel 3mm deck nail. Screwed it in, but the trouble is it's sticking out on an angle, so I had to work out the depth of the screw into there and bend the nail so that it sits up square in neutral position. When I got that all in place, I just slipped a bit of 8mm poly tubing over that. Got that air switch fitted. That's it there. That's the thing you might make out a bit behind me. Got that going down.